Morning, it's Thursday, February 27th, 2014, and my sister wants me to start eating a little better, so I'm having some fried hot dogs. These are actually all beef. My brother brought them over, they're awesome. I haven't had these in over a year, I think. Oh, there were those stupid turkey franks and all kinds of garbage around where we live. I'm looking forward to it. We still have the Canadian horseradish mustard. This is the best mustard ever. Yeah, they're looking better and better. That's a nice meal. I don't know if I'm going to eat all these. I made a bunch of them. Figured I'd get some before my son came and ate them all. I haven't had beef hot dogs in a long time. Oh, I just broke one. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I don't have any good butter. All our butter's crap. They changed Land O'Lakes somehow. It tastes like crap. And it is nice and simple. I'll have a few of these. Well, I ate one, and here's the other one. I got 4 without bread, 4 pieces. This one I'm gonna put in the refrigerator. It probably will vanish. Sadly, I like these beef ones big time.